So today I'm going to show you guys how I furnished my Airbnb in 7 days. So yeah, welcome to my crib. This is my little space, And just a quick disclaimer, this was actually recorded in December 2019 when I was in Jamaica, and this is pre-COVID-19. So as you can see, we're just cleaning up. It's December the 4th and I literally just popped a message in my group chat and all of my friends pulled up. Like, everyone was so helpful and I really appreciate you friends. Hi guys, welcome. So today we are grilling up my apartment. So you can air grill when I grill. We're just putting up some grills to stop us or public charge to reduce any possibilities of the apartment being burgled. I'm not gonna search for steel and metal expensive. Anybody know? No burglar steel. I'm gonna contract from So after the grilling was completed, it meant that we had a lot to clean because there was literally dust everywhere. And I remember this so well because we were fuming because we cleaned the day before and then now it was like all of our work went to waste. So yeah, this day we just spent cleaning up and we also unpacked. A quick tip to anyone furnishing a space in Jamaica: if you want to have cheaper custom rates, then definitely shop overseas and then you can ship it in a barrel or send it down in a suitcase. That's what I did. I got really small home accessories online and overseas, and then I brought it down and it worked out so much cheaper and it saved me a lot of time. So today is done at town day. If you're Jamaican, so if you want to get nothing done at town, you have to wake up early in the morning and go look for where you want. That's exactly what we're going. I really like how everything's coming along. As you can see, we have a lot of boxes in the living room, so we had loads and loads and loads of deliveries. So today is really just about finishing those off, as in unpacking them and arranging the furniture. And as you can tell, my friends pulled up again. They were always here to help, and I love you guys. Tweaking a few things today. I was unfitting those crush curtains, so we pressed them, and I also got my hot water installed. The washroom is partially ready. We literally just need to set up the machine and the dryer, and then we'll be back in the game. And then we have the closet, which is just gonna be installed. We're still gonna install one plug there, and we're back in the game. I finished my Airbnb in 7 days in Jamaica, downtown, Ports. Anna, Pala Pali, thank you so much. You guys made the dream possible.
I just got a new apartment. I'm gonna leave the floor wet. Walk around this beach naked. And nobody can tell me shit. A girl just bought some rice for decoration. Ain't nobody cooking, nobody baking. Leaving my girls in the shower. No more missing the hot water. Pop my ruha in the sky. Cause nobody here to judge my life. Leave the dishes in the sink. Do some cartwheels. Cause my furniture ain't clean. Stand the shit in pain. I just got a new shit. I might just read the book, don't need no cable. Last